Oh my gosh, my college admission results. Let's open it. From your dream school to you. Dear you, you're in. Love us. Oh my gosh, I got in. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pizza. I create content that helps people manifest their best lives and be their highest selves. So if you are into that type of stuff, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. And also I post weekly videos, so hit the notification button as well. I have just graduated university with my bachelor's degree, and I have been given this wonderful opportunity to apply for a full ride scholarship to study Mandarin in Taiwan, which is like my dream come true. If you want me to make a video about manifesting scholarship opportunities and stuff like that, make sure to give this video a like, a thumbs up, so that I know that that's some kind of content that you guys are searching for. As I have begun the manifestation process for me to manifest my scholarship acceptance, I have realized that manifesting a scholarship is very similar to manifesting college admission. The processes are very, very similar, and I'm going to be sharing with you what I am doing to manifest my admission. I'm doing 3 steps, 3 things. These will help you manifest your admission, baby. Before doing any of these manifestation techniques, make sure that you are in a comfortable and very high vibe state of being if you can, because if this feels like a chore, or if it feels like, oh, I have to do this, then you don't want to manifest from that space because it doesn't give you the best results. So do something high vibe, like drink a cup of tea, or talk to a friend that inspires you, listen to an inspiring video, do some yoga. Just make sure that you are in a good state of being when you begin the manifestation steps that I'm going to be mentioning in this video. We deserve to attend the university of our dreams no matter what, and we're gonna get it. We're gonna get that. That being said, let's get started. The first step to the manifestation process is setting an intention and having affirmations that support that intention. Your intention can be simply stating what you want to manifest. I intend to attend the university of my dreams. You can put the name there, and that's how you set an intention. Now that that intention is there, it has begun to manifest, because intentions are like, I intend to do this, it's gonna happen. So that being said, your intention is going to take time. Throughout time, you know what happens. Sometimes we get those like doubting beliefs, like, am I gonna do it? Am I gonna not? It happens. So what you do is you have affirmations to support your intention. So say like this is the start of your intention, this is the manifestation up here. So as you are starting to manifest, maybe halfway through your intention, you start to think, oh, I'm really dumb, I'm not capable of having that. Boom, affirmation comes in. You're so smart, you're so capable, you are powerful, all of that stuff takes you to the manifestation. Down below, I'll be leaving some default like affirmations for manifesting into your dream college. I'll write them down below. But the way that you can make the best affirmations, like optimize your affirmations to the max, is by writing down all of your limiting beliefs, everything that you believe that you have a problem with that isn't gonna get you into your dream university, and then transforming it into an affirmation. You can do this by, if you feel like you're dumb, you can write, oh, I feel like I'm too dumb to get into my dream school. Transform that by, I am so intelligent and worthy no matter what, and I'm going to attend my dream school. Or if you feel like you don't have enough money, you can transform that into, I am financially abundant and I am able to attend my dream university. Just transform your limiting beliefs like that, and that is what's going to maximize your affirmations. The second step of the process is actual technique. I do this by visualization, scripting. The way to do visualization is rehearse in your mind opening the admission letter. Just like go through the process of opening it, seeing it, be like, hey, you're in, and being like, woohoo! Just that feeling. Even if you want to, you can write yourself like a mock admission letter from your university and say, hey so-and-so, you're in, so that you can practice and really generate the feeling and put out the powerful intentions of getting into your dream university. And then the second thing you can do by visualization is, if you can, go and walk around your dream school. I can't go and walk around my dream school because my dream school is countries away from me. However, I can visualize in my mind walking around, going to class, buying my favorite breakfast, speaking the language, all of that stuff. Just visualize it, imagine it. And then scripting. I personally script by using the notes on my phone. It's easier for me to do it. However, if you feel like scripting works best for you through a notebook, use a notebook. Do what works for you. The way I script is I date my manifestation, so I'll date in the future whenever I'll be attending the university. I always write in present tense, and I always express my gratitude and my amazement that I manifested it. For example, you can write something like, today is said date. I am so grateful and so amazed by my manifestation powers. I'm going to a university I love. I wake up and I have great dorm roommates, and it's a perfect price for me to attend this university, and I love my courses, and I'm just so excited to be here, and I'm so proud of myself. And you just write stuff like that. Like, write diary entries as if you're already there, because you're basically like transcending time and already being in that emotional state of the person who is attending the university of your dreams, which is you. Finally, the third step, let it go, let it go. Just kidding, but seriously, let your manifestation go. If you set the intention at the beginning, it's going to come to you. No matter what, your manifestation is on its way to you because you set that intention, and you're a powerful being, and you're loved by like the universe and God and all divine forces. So it's gonna happen for you. If you're having trouble letting go, some things you can do are acting as if. Ask yourself, how does the version of me who has manifested entry into this university act? Do they act super calm? Do they think, oh my gosh, like what am I gonna pack with me to bring to university? Do they like start looking at their university map and like plan like where their classes are gonna be or where they're gonna eat lunch? What do they do? And then do those things. The second thing is meditate. As you meditate, I do this by sitting and looking at a candle for 5 to 10 minutes, and like I just allow all my thoughts to come into my head. It's Aaron Dottie's method, if y'all watch him on YouTube. So I just like listen to all my thoughts. I hold space for everything going on in my mind, but I just watch it. I just let it be, and I watch it go on. And as it's going on, I'm just like, okay, like that's happening. And as you learn to do that in meditation, you just stay calmer throughout the day, and you just realize that your thoughts do not control you. What you think is not who you are. And you're able to do that by just being like, I see my thought and I see that I'm thinking that, but like, that's okay. That's okay. Another thing you can do to help you let go, like I said, is affirmations. Affirmations strengthen your intention. They help your intention go chugga 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 choo choo all the way to your manifestation. Because beliefs are simply thoughts that keep repeating themselves over and over and over again in our heads. Right? So what an affirmation does, it helps you create a new thought. So as you are putting these affirmations in your head, you're like creating this new thought. You keep putting this thought in your head, putting out this thought that I am capable of getting into my dream school. I'm capable. And you just keep putting it in, and eventually that thought becomes a belief. So you want to make sure to be pushing those affirmations in your head constantly so that it can eventually form into a belief, and that belief in return will benefit you into getting you into your dream university. If you have any questions at all, leave it down below in the comments down below. Tell me what you're struggling with manifesting or what you're really good at manifesting. I'd love to hear about it, and I'm really excited for all of us. I know I'm gonna get my scholarship, and you are gonna get your college admissions. I love you so much. You are so capable of anything and everything, okay? If you want to know anything about my life coaching rates, or follow me on Instagram because I'm always posting like high vibrational stuff on there, make sure to do that. And that being said, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.